Before it becomes luxury, ostrich leather begins here only, in the quiet of an African dawn. Every luxury handbag begins with a single bird, and the hands that raise it. These raised follicles, nature's fingerprint, are why ostrich leather is the world's most coveted hide. For 14 months, these birds are raised with care, the foundation of every luxury bag. Only flawless hides earn the mark of luxury. Selection is the first act of craftsmanship. Every hide begins its journey with a number and a promise.
Batch confirmed. Ostriches ready for transport.
One call sets the entire luxury supply chain in motion.
The journey from farm to atelier begins. The birds now walk toward a new destiny, European luxury.
Each bird carries the future of a luxury creation.
Every seal protects the source of tomorrow's masterpieces. 6 hours of road stand between raw hide and refined art. The gates close on one world, creasing, and open on another. 20 kilometers to the workshop of luxury. Every mile is monitored, every detail counted. This is where farming ends and craftsmanship begins. Traceability is the currency of luxury. The Atelier of Ostrich leather now welcomes its raw canvas. The gates of the Atelier open. Atelier, the transformation begins. This is where hide becomes heritage. Behind every luxury handbag stand 100 hands. Cleanliness is the first thread in the fabric of luxury. Inside these walls, every hide is treated like gold. Every batch begins with a briefing for Mushot, every detail with intention. The threshold between raw and refined. Ethics and elegance walk hand in hand. Silence settles. The process is about to begin.
One last inspection, one final approval.
One green light, and the Atelier awakens. From this moment forward, the hide becomes the star. Water is the first touch of transformation. Every drop reveals the treasure beneath. This is where perfection is first measured.
Grade A, the only grade luxury accepts. Salt buys time, Aswari. Time buys perfection.
A number now carries the story of a bird.
Between stages lies patience, kunkund. the currency of luxury. Time now takes the tools from the hands of workers. The hide is ready. The drums await. Here, in these drums, ostrich hide becomes leather. The soaking begins. Days of patience await. Rotation, chemistry, and time, Palladium, the trinity of tanning.
Chemistry, guided by centuries of leather tradition.
Every rotation deepens the color, softens the soul. Three days and nights tommed, the drums never rest. The drums release their secret. Leather is born.
The bumps are now permanent, the fingerprints of luxury.
Water leaves, character remains. The drums are done. Now the artisans take over.
Perfection is measured in percentages.
The transformation from hide to handbag material accelerates. Millimeters decide the difference between good and great.
Cleanliness before color sieve, always.
Color is the soul of luxury. Every hue is engineered, every shade eternal.
Every color is compared to a memory of perfection. The color is set, the identity forged.
Flatness is the canvas of craftsmanship. Now the leather is alive, pommed, supple, luminous, ready. Tradition now meets tomorrow.
Every quill is now a coordinate guide, every hide a map. AI now places every pattern where nature made it most beautiful. Precision replaces guesswork, but never craftsmanship. Order is the invisible signature of luxury.
Only the flawless move forward. The robots prepare Crockmeter, but only human hands complete.
Where technology ends, artistry begins.
Digital precision guides human genius. "20 rooms, one destination, the Atelier of Masters." This is where 200 years of tradition still work in silence.
The blade knows the leather, the artisan knows the blade.
Even the edges have a color story.
Two hands, two needles, one immortal seam.
Flat leather becomes a form, and a form becomes a bag.
Hardware is jewelry and dainty, and every bag deserves its jewels.
The handles must hold a lifetime.
The secret world inside every luxury bag. "250 hours of work. One moment of pride. A signature, a promise, a legacy." Every luxury bag must pass 100 pairs of eyes. The eye of the master is the first tribunal.
Every stitch must survive decades of life.
10,000 clicks, one lifetime of use.
A luxury color must never leave its leather. Rain will fall its dye, but never leave a mark.
20,000 cycles, and the leather doesn't blink. Every bag leaves with a document of its life. From ranch to registry, Humane, the story is now archived forever. Certified, sealed, and ready. The Atelier's finest step forward.
Presentation is the final act of luxury.
The dust bag is the first embrace of home.
Every fold prepares a throne.
Every luxury bag carries its own history in ink.
The ribbon is the final signature.
A quiet warehouse tintry. 1,000 quiet masterpieces. From atelier to boutique en empire, the journey continues.
All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the side. Easy.
The bags now travel as they were once carried.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury ostrich leather handbags from start to finish.
From a single feather in the African dawn, plague, to the finest handbags of the world.